Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have two of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam Rev Tredz vehicles to take a look at. First, we're gonna open them up, and then we're gonna test them outside. So here we have the awesome Scooby-Doo Rev Tredz vehicle. This one is one of my personal favorites. The wheels spin, it's got motorized climbing action. Monster trucks are known for getting dirty, however, it says do not operate in mud or water, play on smooth surfaces, and I assume that's because of the parts inside this vehicle. If this Monster Jam truck gets dirty, it probably doesn't rev up as good as it should, as it says rev them up and send them off, which I'm very excited to test out. So let's free Scooby-Doo from his package so we can test him out. Scooby-Doo is one awesome monster truck, but we have a really cool one here called the Metal Mulisha. If you think Scooby is too soft to be a monster truck, this one is definitely a much more aggressive design. The features of this truck are the same. It's a Rev Tredz model with motorized climbing action, so let's open it up and take a look at it out of the package. So now that we have these two out of the package, let's take them outside and test them out.